I'll enable the recording. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for being back. Yeah, so it's talking about, when her husband died and she could really, okay, I'm gonna have to disable the waiting room once. Yeah, so she's sharing about her relationship with her husband, and she talks about that how it impacted her. And as I was showing, when you start doing, thank you, love you. So she's talking about that when she started giving her gratitude. So no matter what, pehle sabse, most of all, it gives you a sense of completion. Like it makes you complete. हो सकता है आपकी किसी के साथ दोस्ती टूटी हो सकता है आपके कोई loved one, maybe your pet, maybe who could be anybody. And if it makes you upset, so first step is to be grateful for the beautiful times that you spent with them. And then after that, once she wrote that, उसके बाद she made time to look at कि अच्छा ठीक है, अभी मैं अपनी जिंदगी में जहां पे भी खड़ी हूँ, अब इसके बाद क्या, and for the future that lies ahead of her, and to be grateful for the future that lies ahead of her. And then she started making a list of those things जो हो सकता है वो अपनी शादीशुदा जिंदगी में उनको टाइम नहीं मिला या मौका नहीं मिला या जो भी रीजन रहा होगा. And then she started making a list of that, and she started giving her gratitude for those things. And when she started making those things, then उनके अंदर भी जीने का, कहते हैं ना, जीने की एक राह मिली, एक खुशी मिली, एक होप मिली, एक रास्ता दिखा कि अच्छा, this is the direction that I would, that this is the direction in which I would like to take my life forward. So this was about her parents. अब इसी तरीके से आगे चलते चलते अब आज आपके पास ये एक अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगी. हो सकता है किसी टीचर ने आपको बहुत बुरी तरह से डांटा हो सकता है somebody broke your trust, or you broke up with your friend or something and now you're really upset about it. Could be anything, or could be maybe you have all wonderful relationships but you want to make them better, or could be, so it's about healing. जैसे आपने ये फोटो में भी अगर गौर से देखा हो जो इस बुक के अंदर है, it's like it's two people, and उन दो लोगों के बीच में ना, जैसे फ्रेम में ही आप देख रहे हो एक दरार जैसी सी आ गई है. It's like a crack that is there. And using the power of magic, using the power of gratitude, कैसे वो इस दरार को भर रहे हैं and bringing it together and healing whatever gap has come in between. And 1 second, so the intention of this exercise is not कि अब आप best friends बन जाओगे, या it's not that अब आपने उनको माफ कर दिया या ये आपकी गलती थी आपने कबूल कर लिया. It's not about that. That's not the intention of today's exercise. The intention is that you being full of life. जो यहाँ पे लिखा था ना सबसे पहले कि your life goes down, बस वो आपके साथ ना हो. आप अपनी लाइफ को कमतर ना करो, आप उसके इफेक्ट्स, क्यों उसने आपके साथ जो किया नहीं किया उससे आपकी लाइफ में क्यों कमी होनी चाहिए, ठीक है. So and to recover and to replenish yourself and be full of life, gratitude is the way to do it. And now the chapter is going to tell us how to do it. Please continue.
For today's magical practice, you are going to look for a hot coal that is burning your life and literally turn it into gold through gratitude. Choose one difficult, problematic, or broken relationship that you want to improve. It doesn't matter whether the person is currently in your life or it's a past, or if it's a past relationship and the person is no longer in your life. Sit down and make a written list of 10 things you are grateful for about the person you have chosen. Think back through history of the relationship and list the great things about the person or the great things you have received from the relationship. The easiest way to do this is to think back to to the ways things were before the relationship deteriorated or ended. If the relationship was never good, then think hard about any good qualities in the person because they are there.
हाँ, so अब आपको ये आज की असाइनमेंट समझा रहे हैं। आज आपने क्या करना है, देखो अभी तक हम सब लोग जो पिछले 13 दिन से 14 दिन से एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं, they were like जो good things हैं जिसके लिए finding gratitude is easy, right? Like it was like kg level exercises which we were doing for everything that's going great and fun, and because of which the gratitude was coming, magic was coming, but in whatever capacity it was coming. अब आप सब लोग वीक 3 में एंटर कर चुके हो, एंड वीक 3 इज लाइक अब भैया मैजिक भर भर के आने दो, like in huge quantities, because it's testing. अगर आप इस टाइम तक टिके हुए हो, आपने इस टाइम तक अपनी प्रैक्टिसेस वैसी करी है, so it's like now you're eligible to have abundance of magics come to your life. ठीक है, so now उस तरीके से असाइनमेंट्स भी जो अब आएंगी ना, उनको भी करने में ऐसे नहीं कि आप चलते फिरते कर लोगे, थोड़ा आप बैठो, थोड़ा दिमाग लगाओ, थोड़ा मतलब थोड़ा एफर्ट डालो, ताकि अब आपको थोड़ा सा डालोगे तो उसी के proportion में you will receive back as well. So this is what your today's assignment is going to be, that you are going to look for a hot coal that is burning your life and literally turn it into gold through gratitude. कोई भी एक ऐसा रिलेशनशिप चुनो जिसके बारे में आप अभी भी सोचते हो ना, तो आपको हो सकता है खिज मचती हो या आपको अच्छा ना लगता हो, ये हो सकता है खिजना मचती हो, but it's not the way you would want it to be, whatever it may be, but you have to choose one relationship. ठीक है, और फर्क नहीं पड़ता, हो सकता है आपने उससे पिछले 5-10 साल से बात भी ना की उस इंसान से, डजंट मैटर. ठीक है, सो चूज दैट पर्सन, स्टेप 1. स्टेप 2 क्या करना है, आपने बैठना है, ये नहीं चलते फिरते नहीं करनी असाइनमेंट, आराम से एक शांत कमरे में बैठ जाओ. उसके बाद क्या करना है, आपने पेन पेपर उठाओ एंड उसके अंदर आपने 10 चीजें लिखनी है जो आप उस व्यक्ति के बारे में ग्रेटफुल हो सकते हो, वो ढूंढनी है आपने. could be anything, could be I'm grateful that that person made me laugh till the time we were friends, I'm grateful that he was always there for me or she was always there for me, whatever. ठीक है, 10 चीजों की लिस्ट बनाओ जो आपको उस व्यक्ति के बारे में अच्छी लगती है या जो आपके रिलेशनशिप के बारे में अच्छी थी उस टाइम की, या हो सकता है आपने कभी भी अच्छा टाइम स्पेंड नहीं किया, हो सकता है इनिशियली से आपकी दोस्ती अच्छी नहीं रही या जो भी है, but you had to be with them. So it could be a family member, you don't have a choice, but they are in your life and there's something that you would like to be better. तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता, उसके अंदर भी आप क्या कर सकते हो, आपको उस व्यक्ति के बारे में एज एन इंडिविजुअल जो भी पसंद है, हो सकता है आपको उनका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर पसंद हो सकता है द वे दे टॉक टू देयर पेरेंट्स, देयर रिस्पेक्ट, यू लाइक दैट, कुड बी एनीथिंग. ठीक है, मगर आपने बैठना है एंड आपने 10 चीजें लिखनी है that you are grateful for about them. And the intention of this practice, I repeat again, is not, the intention is not about कि मैं सही था या वो गलत था या वो सही था मैं गलत था या किसकी गलती थी, या this is not the intention कि मैंने उसको माफ कर दिया या मैंने ये कर दिया. That's not the intention of today's exercise. It's about your healing and about you being somebody जिसकी life में magics भर भर के आ रहा. That's the intention. Please continue.
This magical practice is not about who is right or wrong. No matter what you feel someone has done to you, no matter what someone said or didn't do, you can magically heal the relationship and you don't need the other person in order to heal it.
Yeah.
There's gold in
नॉर्मली हम सुनते हैं तो क्या बोलते हैं, मतलब नॉर्मली इफ यू लिसन इन अ रिलेशनशिप, मैं ही थोड़ी ना हमेशा हील कर सकता हूँ. जब दोनों व्यक्ति बैठेंगे, दोनों चाहेंगे हील होना, तभी तो हील, कुछ बातें बनती है. यस नो, आपने ये सुना हुआ है पहले ये डायलॉग, कह रहे ताली तो दोनों हाथ से बचती है, सिर्फ मेरे कहने से थोड़ी ना रजामंदी हो जाएगी, ऐसे थोड़ी ना होगा. सुना हुआ आपने ये डायलॉग? दैट इज समथिंग कमाल की बात है. आज जो आप करने जा रहे हो उसमें आपको दूसरे व्यक्ति की जरूरत ही नहीं है. You don't need the other person, you don't need to speak to him or her, you don't need to talk to him or her, you don't even need their consent to do this exercise. You only and only you need to do this exercise to magically heal the relationship. It does not matter about the other person, whether you talk to them, maybe you've not spoken for years, doesn't matter. And that's the beauty that today's chapter is going to bring to your life. Please continue.
There's gold in every relationship. even the difficult ones, and to bring riches to all your relationships and your life. You have to find the gold. As you dig and discover a nugget of gold, write it down, address the person by name, and express your sentence in gratitude.
Name, I'm grateful for what?
1. Paul, I'm grateful for our time together. While our marriage did end, I learned a lot. I am so much wiser today, and I use what I learned from our marriage in many of my relationships today.
This is an
2.
example that they're doing. जैसे कि अभी हमने पीछे पढ़ा, जैसे in case a marital couple split up, and she's saying that even if they split up, अब obvious सी बात है, अगर किसी व्यक्ति के बीच में, दो व्यक्तियों के बीच में split हुआ है, तो जायज सी बात है, ऐसे थोड़ी ना हुआ होगा कि सब बहुत खुशहाल था, सब बहुत बढ़िया था, चलो split कर लेते हैं, नहीं ना. Something would have not been nice or not pleasant because of which they chose to part their ways. मगर अब ऐसी कंडीशन में भी जहां पे things weren't working out and they moved their own path, उस व्यक्ति के साथ भी today she is going to do this exercise कि अच्छा उसके साथ में कैसे heal कर सकती हो अपना relationship. So while you are reading this example, आप अपने end से देखना, थोड़ा अगर सोच सको, it will give you some idea कि आप कैसे कैसे चीजें खोज सकते हो to be grateful about. Please continue.
Paul, I'm grateful for everything you did to try and make our marriage work, because 10 years of marriage means you did try. 3. Paul, I'm grateful to you for our children. The joy I receive from them every day could not be without you. 4. Paul, I'm grateful to you for the hard work and long hours you put in to support our family while I was at home taking care of our children. It was a big responsibility to have all of us depend on you, so thank you. 5. Paul, I'm grateful to you for the precious moments I had with our children as they grew up. I got to see our children and talk and walk for the first time, and I know you didn't have that opportunity. I'm grateful to you. Paul, I'm grateful for your support when I went through a difficult time of grief and loss. Paul, I'm grateful to you for the times when I was sick and when you did your best to take care of me and the children. 8. Paul, I'm grateful for the great times we had, and we did have many. 9. Paul, I'm grateful that you want to continue to be a father to our children. 10. Paul, I'm grateful for your support and the time you want to give to our children. I know they mean as much to you as they do to me.
Yeah, so right now it's talking about, how she gave her gratitude to Paul, that for all the things he did. Because having, say, a 10 years of marriage doesn't mean that only she was doing the work. He was also putting in some effort because of which इतने समय तक गाड़ी चली. या उन वो काम करने जाते थे because of which she could stay at home and take care of her kids. And अपने बच्चों का बचपन enjoy करना, to see them grow up, to see them walk for the first time, to see them laugh, to see them take their first words. It's precious for a parent. And she got to experience that because her husband was out there working for the family, supporting for them. Yeah, throughout the 10 years, whenever she needed somebody, she knew that, okay, he was going to be there for her. So, yeah, this and more. And, as she wrote down this list of things to be grateful for, so by the time you finish your gratitude list of 10 things, you should feel much better about the person and the relationship. So this is the intention of the exercise. हो सकता है पहले जब आप उस व्यक्ति के बारे में सोच रहे हो, तो maybe you feel irritated, you feel not comfortable, yeah, you may not feel as pleasant as you would like to. So whatever it may be, the intention is that you write and you feel the gratitude for that person until you reach a mental stage where you can really experience, आपको ये feel होता है, महसूस होता है, you feel much better, you feel lighter about that relationship. And जो वो negative, do you understand when I say, like, just think of one person who you really don't like. Just think, आप लोगों को अभी सबको ऐसा अपना एक वो person दिमाग में याद आ रहा है who you really don't
Yeah.
like, right? And when you think of that person, can you feel that negative feeling, like even the thought of them makes you irritated? Yeah, irritated or whatever way your emotion is. Yes. So
My
you understand, ठीक है? तो आपको एक चीज तो समझ में आनी चाहिए कि हो सकता है वो व्यक्ति अभी आपके आसपास बैठा भी नहीं है, आपके आसपास अभी वो फिजिकली है भी नहीं, मगर still when you think of it, you know, there is some grip of that negativity which holds you. You know, when you think of it, there's something holding you. Yeah, maybe the relationship is not as pleasant as you would like to be. You know, maybe everything is great and you want it to level up. So it's good if you don't have. So one thing you need to understand, आप आज की जब ये exercise करोगे, the intention is इसको करने के बाद ना आपको हल्का महसूस होना चाहिए. This is how it is. आप जितना ज़्यादा honestly, आराम से शांत कमरे में बैठ के इस exercise करोगे, आपको उतना मजा आएगा इसको करने में. ठीक है? Please continue.
By the time you have finished your gratitude list of 10 things, you should feel much better about the person and the relationship. The ultimate point you want to reach is where you don't have any bad feelings towards the person anymore, because it's your life that is harmed by those feelings. Every relationship is different, and if need be, you may choose to repeat this magical practice over several days until you reach the point where you don't have any bad feelings towards the person anymore. If you are using gratitude's magical power to improve a current relationship, you will see the relationship begin to change miraculously before your eyes.
Yeah, so it's also
It
saying that, you know, when it doesn't necessarily have to be a bad relationship. You might, हो सकता है अभी आपका existingly एक कोई है आपकी लाइफ में and आप उसके साथ better करना चाहते हो, same rule apply करना है उसके अंदर भी, and you will see, maybe हो सकता है अभी बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा हो, but when you do today's assignment, even for that, उसी के अंदर आपका relationship और ज्यादा बेहतर हो जाएगा. ठीक है? Because you need to understand, see, अगर there is some sort of, in the case of, you know, not having a good relationship, उस केस में अगर कुछ भी आपके अंदर वो नेगेटिव फीलिंग है which you are holding on to, it's not harming the other person, it's harming who you are. So आप अपने लिए, you've got to be really selfish, you know, really selfish for your dreams, in the sense of कि हाँ यार मेरे को तो अपने ड्रीम से मतलब है and I really want to cause that. And if you really want to cause that, you need to have abundance of magics in your life for yourself. आसपास के लोगों के लिए नहीं, भाई मुझे मेरे सपने बहुत प्यारे हैं भाई, और उसके लिए अगर मुझे किसी व्यक्ति को माफ करना है, किसी व्यक्ति के लिए ग्रेटिट्यूड करना है, तो कर लेता हूँ ना, आओ बैठो करते हैं आराम से. But this is how I take it. This is my point of view. This is my perception. You are free to see for yourself. Please continue.
If you are using gratitude's magical power to improve a current relationship, you will see the relationship to begin to change miraculously before your eyes. It only takes one person to magically change a relationship through gratitude. But it is the person who uses gratitude who receives the benefits in their whole life. If you choose a past relationship where you are not in contact with the person anymore, you will feel a peace and happiness fill you. And at the same time, you will see other current relationships in your life magically improve.
Yeah, you will see.
In the future,
मैंने तो उस XYZ पर्सन के साथ ग्रेटिट्यूड किया था जिसके साथ मैंने पिछले 10 साल से बात नहीं करी, या 2 साल से या 5 साल जो भी से बात नहीं करी, मैंने तो उस बेचारे के साथ मैंने ग्रेटिट्यूड किया था. तो मेरी मम्मी के साथ रिलेशनशिप में को उसमें क्यों मजे आने शुरू हो गए? या मेरे सो एंड सो सर्टन जो एग्जिस्टिंग फ्रेंड्स हैं उनके साथ मेरी दोस्ती इतनी गहरी क्यों हो गई, ऐसा क्यों हो गया? यू विल स्टार्ट टू फील, जैसे आप उस क्या कहते हैं उसे गड़े मुर्दे बोलना चाहो या जो भी बोलना चाहो, जैसे अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है, उनके साथ जब आप ये करना शुरू करते हो या एग्जिस्टिंगली अच्छा है उसको और बेहतर बनाते हो, उसकी अफेक्ट बाकी रिलेशनशिप्स में भी फैलता है। ऐसा क्यों? somebody knows ऐसा क्यों होता है?
I don't know, but my father used to tell me, and he does tell me also, like if you feel something is bad, then later you'll feel everything is bad. If you feel something is good, then you'll feel everything is good.
Yeah, that's because the person in all those relationships, the common person in all those relationships is you, right? It's you with your mom, and you with your friends, and you with your teachers, and you with your cousins, and you are that person. So if inside of you there is some negativity about certain relationship, you will think कि maybe वो बाकी relationships के अंदर visible नहीं हो रही है, मगर it's there. अगर मैं अभी आपके ऊपर 10 किलो का बैग चढ़ा दूंगी, फॉर अ सर्टेन रिलेशनशिप, आप वो 10 किलो का बैग नहीं उतार पाओगे, वो इधर भी जाएगा, इधर भी जाएगा, इधर भी जाएगा। क्यों? क्योंकि 10 किलो का बैग उनके ऊपर नहीं चढ़ा हुआ, आपके ऊपर चढ़ा हुआ है। So when you do today's exercise, you will feel fantastic, not fantastic, like fun आ जाएगा पूरा भर भर के। So you will feel a piece of happiness fill you, अंदर से ना ऐसी शांति उमड़ेगी, ऐसी शांति आएगी आप इमेजिन भी नहीं कर पाते हो। एंड जो एग्जिस्टिंगली बढ़िया रिलेशनशिप्स चल रहे हैं उसमें भी लेवल अप हो जाएगा, जो आप अभी सोच भी नहीं सकते हो। इतना मजा आएगा आपको आज का एक्सरसाइज करने में। प्लीज कंटिन्यू।
In the future, if a relationship becomes challenging, remember to use this magical practice immediately. You will stop the difficulties before they get any bigger, and instead, you will increase the magic in the relationship.
हाँ, कभी फ्यूचर में किसी से झगड़ा हो जाए ना, या दोस्त के साथ लड़ाई हो जाए या कुछ हो जाए, तो उस बेचारी के साथ ब्रेकअप करने से पहले ये एक्सरसाइज कर लेना। ठीक है, उसने कुछ ऐसा किया या आपने कुछ ऐसे किया जिस वजह से आपको लग रहा है रिलेशनशिप थोड़ा डाउन हो रहा है, तो बिफोर यू मेक एनी डिसीजन, बिफोर यू चूज टू डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू डू, it's fine, but don't harm yourself with that. Okay? And do this exercise. I can say it because see, right now majority of the people attending this class are 10-year-old, 12, 15, like that. I'm 23, so I'm 10 years older than all of you. So I have been through, where you are, and sometimes people say things like, sometimes friends say mean stuff, sometimes they say things which are really hurtful and all of that. Magar when you walk 5 years down the line, I mean I can speak for myself because मैं आप सब लोगों से 10 साल बड़ी हूँ। सिमिलर चीजें जो आपकी लाइफ में हो रही है मेरी लाइफ में भी हो चुकी हैं। मुझे ऐसा लगता है आप उस पॉइंट पे जिस चीज को माफ कर दो, फॉरगिव कर दो, ग्रेटफुल हो जाओ, कुछ ढूंढ लो, फिक्स कर लो, in the long run that is what will you will cherish, because later if you had a good friend and you let them go, you will think अरे यार इतनी सी बात थी, 5 years down the line आपको याद भी नहीं रहेगा झगड़ा किस बात पे हुआ था, और अपने ऊपर ना ऐसी शर्म आएगी इस छोटी सी बात पे मैंने अपनी इतनी अच्छी दोस्ती तोड़ दी। So my invitation to all of you is and you are the one to choose for yourself, but at least आज आपको ना बुक ने एक एक्सरसाइज दे दी है कि डोंट मेक एनी डिसीजंस इन हश रश। ठीक है, मतलब डोंट रिएक्ट, थोड़ा रैशनली बैठो, ग्रैटिट्यूड की पूरी लिस्ट बनाओ, देखो सच में उसने आपको कितने फायदे दिए हैं एंड खुश हो जाओ यार, उसके बाद जो मन करे कर लेना, जो मन करे कर लेना। ठीक है, so this is an access, a beautiful access which the book has given to each and every one of you. आगे चलते चलते भी कभी भी अटको, मम्मी से लड़ाई हो जाए, किसी ने बुरा बोल दिया, आपने किसी के साथ बुरा कर दिया, आपको लग रहा है अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है, यू आर फीलिंग गिल्टी और यू द अदर पर्सन यू मेकिंग देम गिल्टी, व्हाटएवर, कभी भी इंसानों के साथ अटको, आप इस एक्सरसाइज को कर लेना। कभी भी रो रहे हो, कुछ हो रहा हो, किसी पे गुस्सा आ रहा है, कुछ भी हो रहा हो, कुछ भी हो रहा हो, इस एक्सरसाइज को कर लेना, ये आपकी बहुत मदद करेगी। ठीक है, अभी इसको इतना उसमें मत लेके जाओ, आज आपने एक ही बंदे को चूज करना है। ठीक है, सबको अपना एक एक बंदा मिल गया जिसके साथ एक्सरसाइज करोगे। यस,
Yeah.
one person you're going to choose today for today's exercise. Yes, write in the chat if you found your person, just write yes. Yeah, so let's read today's assignment.
One thing. Magical practice number 15. Magically heal your relationships. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings why you are grateful. Reread your list and at the end of each blessing say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Choose one difficult, problematic, or broken relationship that you want to improve. Sit down and make a written list of 10 things you are grateful for about the person you have chosen. Write it down in the following way: name, I'm grateful for dash or what. 4. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words. Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Thank you, Aisha. Thank you so much for reading the chapter for all of us. So thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for being a part of today's session. And I will see you all tomorrow, preferably on the same link as we had today. Right now, there's another workshop. So any questions anyone has regarding today's chapter?
No.
Can you unmute? Huh?
No, we can unmute.
Any question anyone has?
Didi Sachi,
Yeah, Sachi, ask.
do we have a class tomorrow also?
Oh, I'm sorry. No, I always forget. No, we don't have a class tomorrow. Yes. Who else?
I want to share,
Yeah. Share.
Sanvi. The assignment of day 7, I did it, and we had to take a negative situation. I chose that in a building, like children play downstairs, so they were not talking to me initially. So yesterday they all came to my house and they asked that, well, shall we play? And we all played together.
Thank you. Wonderful. Thank you, Ishanvi. Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you. Yes.
मुझे भी कुछ करना था,
पूछो तक्ष.
मतलब मुझे कुछ शेयर करना था. मेरा एक दोस्त है, वो ना मुझे मतलब मैं कुछ करता भी नहीं हूँ, मैं कुछ बोलता हूँ यार ऐसा मत कर, फिर उसके बाद वो ना मुझे थप्पड़ मारता है. वो मुझे मेरे पेट पर मारता है, बहुत मारता है मुझे. उसके बाद एक दिन मैं उसको मारा, फिर उसके बाद तब से उसके बाद तब उसने मुझसे दोस्ती तोड़ दी. उसके बाद मैं
वाह तक्ष, वाह, वेरी गुड. तो वो जो व्यक्ति है ना जिसको तूने बहुत जोर की मारा था, उस व्यक्ति के साथ आज की असाइनमेंट कर लेना, ठीक है? उसे माफ कर सकते हो आज की असाइनमेंट?
कर सकता हूँ.
हाँ,
उसके
try
बाद
कर.
जो मारा ना उसको भी बहुत दर्द हुआ.
अरे वो तो ठीक है. वो तो ठीक है, पर मैं बता रही हूँ जो ऐसे मारते हैं ना उनके पास भी वो चोटें वापस घूम घूम के आती हैं, सच में आती हैं. तो आप भी थोड़ा ध्यान रखना. अब आपके दोस्त तो क्लास में नहीं है, आप तो आ रहे हो ना, तो आप तो सीख सकते हो ताकि आप वो गलतियां ना करो जो बाद में आपको, जिसका अफेक्ट आपको अच्छा ना लगे, है ना? तो जो गलतियां हमने आज तक करी है उसका तो हम माफी मांग सकते हैं, उनसे नहीं माफी मांगनी, उनसे नहीं मांगनी, दे आर नोबडी. हाँ, मगर जो हमने करी है उसको इक्वलाइज करने के लिए, वो जो आपके अंदर गुस्सा है जो अभी भी है, उस गुस्से को शांत करने के लिए आप आज की एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हो, ठीक है? थैंक यू तक्ष, थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग.
This is Ahisha here. I wanted to share.
Yeah.
This is an incident that happened yesterday. As
Yeah.
I told you, I had ordered lots of clothes from online shopping and stuff.
Yeah.
So the delivery date of one of the tops was today. And yesterday I was sitting and thinking, oh, like I was really feeling it that one top is gonna come today. And then I told my mother just simply, one top is gonna come today. And then like after like 1 hour or so, the top really came.
Wonderful. Yeah, so this is how it is, this is just how it is, that whatever you want, you get that into your life. Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. So thank you everyone. And कल परसों हमारा सेशन नहीं है, मगर आप सब लोगों ने अपनी असाइनमेंट करनी है, ठीक है? अपनी काउंट योर ब्लेसिंग्स, अपना मैजिक रॉक, हील योर रिलेशनशिप्स, कंटिन्यू डूइंग इट. आज एक पर्सन चूज करो, कल दूसरे को चूज कर लेना, ठीक है? सो बी इन प्रैक्टिस ऑफ द मैजिक बुक. Okay, so thank you everyone. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a
Thank you,
wonderful
ma'am.
day. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank